Hello, Facebook world. What is up? What is up? It is Nicole Training coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, so today we are going to make some cheese bacon biscuits for dinner, which I am super excited for. Just gonna get my oven going because I forgot to do that before going live here. Okay, so I'm preheating my oven to 400. That's what I'm doing right there. The only thing I have is I kind of pre-cooked the bacon, obviously, okay, and chopped it up, and then I got some melted butter in here, and that's all I've done before this video. So we're gonna get right into it and get these biscuits all done. Okay, so we're gonna start off with melted butter and eggs. All right, so we're gonna add some eggs to this. Boom. So, for those of you who are new, this channel and this page is cooking. Okay, we are low carb, keto kind of family here, our entire family, and I share with you recipes that our entire family actually really likes and enjoys. Okay, so I have a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old who are both low carb, keto friendly kids. Okay, and this is where I show you all the recipes I feed my kids. I am not doing good at all with these eggs. Okay, if you watch me, you know I'm not very good with eggs, so this isn't exactly a surprise to very many people. Okay, I got the shell out. Oh, okay, so there's 4 eggs here. No, oh, no, I didn't. Look at that. See? There's 4 eggs, large eggs, getting into this recipe, okay? And you're just going to keep watching because you're like, she can't even crack an egg. She's hilarious. Just keep watching. See what she does. That's what a lot of people do, actually, so. You're not alone in that. I'm going to get myself fixed out. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so now we're going to mix up the eggs and the butter, okay? We're just gonna all kind of mixed up here. Now, of course, at any point in time you want the recipe, just let me know, and I will send it to you. So you just put recipes in the comments, and I'll send you the written recipe. No string attached. You can just get the written recipe for yourself, because who doesn't want written recipes like this? Okay, so now we're gonna add the baking powder to this. Okay, so it was a 1/4 cup melted butter, 4 eggs, and then this is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And then we're also going to add the flour right now, too. So, we're going to use some coconut flour, because I'm completely out of almond flour. And, you know, you're not supposed to go out unless you really have to. So, we're not going out to get some almond flour right now. Since we got some coconut flour, we're just going to use this, okay? So, it's 1/2 cup of coconut flour here. Try not to make a mess of it, okay? Here we go. And then we're going to mix this in to it. So, hello. So, are any of you guys who are watching right now, are you low carb, keto? Let me know in the comments. Are your kids low carb or keto as well? Like, my kids are keto. My kids are keto. My oldest, my 4-year-old, she is autistic, which is why we chose the ketogenic lifestyle for our family. It really helps with her focus and all that stuff, and her emotions and just her functionality all as a whole. It really does help. Okay, so now I'll show you what it looks like with the eggs, the flour, baking powder, all that good stuff, what it looks like. Okay, and then we're going to add here we go. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It looks like scrambled eggs. That's what it looks like, because basically that's what it is right now. Okay, so now we're going to add the spices to it. Okay, so I have some garlic powder here. We're going to add some of that. Alright, I have some Italian spice. We're going to add some of that. Okay, and then I got pink Himalayan salt, because if you are low carb or keto, you should be adding pink Himalayan salt to all of your meals, okay, to keep those electrolytes up, because you want to keep those electrolytes up. And we're just going to mix this. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. Don't you worry. We are not done yet. Okay. All right. So now this is the time where we add the bacon and the cheese to it, okay? And we just kind of like mix it in. So this is shredded mozzarella cheese, and there is 3/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese we're going to add here. Okay. And then I have a little bit of pre-cooked chopped up bacon. There's 4 pieces here of it. Okay. There we go. Add that to this. And we're just going to kind of like fold it into this, okay? Sort of thing. So again, if you're just tuning in, you can put recipe in the comments and I will get you the written recipe. Don't you worry. And again, of course, always on Facebook, I always put a picture of when it comes out of the oven in the comments so you can see what you're looking for. So if you're on YouTube watching this, you can actually go down into the description and my Facebook is on there, and you can follow and get a little bit more in depth with the videos, okay? Just more tips as well on this page. Okay, so here we go. We're basically all mixed here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Boom! Basically, it looks like scrambled eggs, eh? With some bacon and some cheese. So we're going to take a pan here, okay? Parchment paper down. Our oven's at 400 right now. And what we're going to do actually is we're going to scoop out. You can use a muffin tray. You can. I find it's very hard to get them out afterwards. So this is how I like to do it, okay? Just a little tip there. I know online you see everyone using muffin trays, and yeah. So you just take a little scoop. It's almost like you're making cookies kind of thing. You're just going to put them on the pan like that, okay? Just little balls. That's what you're doing. Little fluffy balls. And you're going to kind of like keep them all at the same level, same size, so they all kind of cook the same way. Okay. Now, I do get a lot of questions of these, like, does it taste eggy? Because there's so many egg in it. Like, do they rise? Because I use coconut flour. They will rise. Not as high as if you use almond flour. So you can actually use almond flour instead of coconut flour for this recipe as well. It will rise higher and be a little bit more fluffy than coconut flour. But coconut flour gets more crispy, is what I find. Okay, so we're going to be putting these in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes. And they're going to come out like really golden brown, crispy, because I used coconut flour. That makes sense for you guys. Hopefully it does. And I'm going to fill up this whole tray while I'm on this video, just so you can see just really how many this recipe actually makes. Okay, all right, because it's a pretty decent even though it doesn't seem like we used a lot of ingredients here, it's a pretty decent amount of biscuits you get. So if you're having like a family dinner of like, I don't know, like 6 people or more, like you're still good, okay? These kind of biscuits I like doing for like when my kids have birthday parties. Actually, I like making these little biscuits for people, for dinner or even for breakfast. Okay, I normally make a whole bunch actually for breakfast because when we have big parties like that, we're in a country and we don't live by any family, so a lot of them stay with us or in the area and they come over for breakfast. And this is what I like to make for them. Is this in keto friendly pancakes with some bacon on the side. All that good stuff. So we have 12 here on the tray here. Okay, there's 12 there. All right, and then we still have half the batter left in the bowl. So you're getting about 20 biscuits out of this. Okay, if you keep them nice and small on this tray, you're gonna get like 20. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. If you like this video, please feel free to share. Please feel free to follow this page. Like I said, we are a family-oriented, low-carb ketogenic family, and that's what I share on here, how you can do it, good healthy habits you can kick in, and just, like, normally my kids are in these videos, okay? They're just watching a movie right now, but we show you how you can bring your kids into the kitchen and kind of, like, get them involved in this, okay? Get them involved in the food. Let them know where the food comes from, kind of thing. And that's what this page and this channel is all about. So if you like that, you can follow, subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff. And I look forward to getting to know you guys a little bit better, okay? Well, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!